this exercise has 3 parts: easy, medium, and difficult versions. The easy version first is just to feel the etheric body. So now we're going to use the focus of awareness to feel the etheric body. And know that as you're feeling the etheric body, you're really feeling one of the points of expression of the body's devatas, or the body's healing intelligence. You can use the sensitivity of your hand chakras to focus awareness well. So one of the ways of doing this exercise is just to put your hands together like this. And the thing about the etheric body is it's very much the shape of our physical body, only a little bit radiating outside the physical body. So my physical skin ends here, but my etheric body is a little bit outside where the skin is. So if you put the hands together like this, you can feel an energy in between the hands. Just trying that for a minute, just feeling that energy between the hands. You notice it feels a little bit like a pressure, or some people experience it as a warmth. Some people experience it as a tingling. You can feel, try taking the hands away. Notice it feels different. Put the hands together. You can feel there's like a little cushion. There's a little cushion of consciousness right there. All right, very good. I hope everybody's getting a chance to feel that. Now let's take it just a little bit further. We're just gonna feel the etheric body as it stretches out beyond the physical form. You can feel it on your arm. You can feel it on your face. Really, especially for women, because we don't have facial hair, it's very easy to feel it here on the cheeks. You can feel it. You can feel the warmth of your etheric body on your own cheeks. Anywhere you want to put, you can feel it. You can feel it here on the chest. That's step number 1 of the exercise. Very simple. We can use focusing awareness through the sensitive point in the middle of the hands. You can feel the etheric body. And you can just stop the exercise there if you want. But if you want to go on and make it a little trickier, a little bit more advanced, the next step is to feel the whole etheric body. You can't use your hands for that, right? Because your hands only feel one little spot at a time. But the more advanced version is to feel the whole etheric body. And this you have to use just awareness alone, just pure awareness. And you feel your physical body, and then you also feel the etheric body, which is inside and occupying the same space as the physical body, but just made of energy. We'll just take a minute to feel the etheric body. It feels all the different feelings that we feel, you know, heat and cool and pleasure and pain, and even the emotions. We can feel the emotions in the etheric body. That's step number 2. That's like the more medium advanced version. Now, for those of you who feel very confident, and you don't have to do all of these. You can just do one of them or 2 of them. But the more advanced version is, once you feel the etheric body has this ability to orient more out, like toward the world, or more in. And what we want to do in this exercise is we want to turn the life force flow of the etheric body in. Because when the etheric body turns in on the physical body, it brings all the healing resources in to the physical body. It's interesting because we think of the source of creation as inside and the physical body is outside. And so if the etheric body is turning toward the physical body, it may seem like, oh, it's turning toward the outside. But really, in this case, we're using the physical body as that point of reference to start to turn the awareness inward, healing. And when you turn the etheric body in, it feels like a ginormous hug. It feels like your etheric body is like holding you. It's like it just like comes in like that, and it holds you. It holds you. There's such a sweet, stable, like coming home feeling when the etheric body turns in on the physical body, and like it creates like a kind of stability in the relationship between the etheric body and the physical body. It's like, I'm here. Ooh, I got you. It's like a big hug. It's a big hug. I suggest spending just a few seconds on this exercise, maybe 10 seconds on the exercise every day. Find 10 seconds, maybe when you're falling asleep at night, when you're waking up in the morning, sometime that you have a little rest period, and maybe you stopped and had a meal, and then after the meal you have like a few seconds to rest, something like that. And just do this exercise. And as I said, I don't expect everyone to do all 3 versions. This is like doing yoga, right? You go to the yoga class and like some of the positions are harder than others. So you don't try to make yourself do it if it's too hard. You can work up to that. But at least try the first exercise where you put your hands together and you feel the energy between the palms of the hands, and then go to the body and feel the etheric body touching itself. You can actually massage your etheric body with your hand chakras. It's really interesting. And it's wonderful for releasing pain. It's one of the best ways to reduce pain in the body is to use the hand chakras and just gently, gently massage on the etheric body. All right, enjoy this exercise. Thank you for joining me. Bye.